Tired of dealing with multiple wrenches for different tasks? The best adjustable wrenches offer versatility, allowing you to tackle various bolt and nut sizes with a single tool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, high-quality adjustable wrench is a must-have for your toolbox. In this video, we'll cover top-rated adjustable wrenches that balance durability, grip, and ease of use. Check the links in the description box to find your perfect fit. Now let's get started. CHANNELLOCK 8 WCB Adjustable Wrench. Looking for a reliable, durable wrench for tight spaces? The CHANNELLOCK 8 WCB 8-inch YDS adjustable wrench offers a jaw opening of up to 1.5 inches, matching the capacity of a 12-inch wrench. With longer jaws for a solid grip and a precise design that prevents slippage, this tool ensures secure adjustments every time. The 4-thread knurled and non-protruding jaws provide extended capacity, while the thinner head grants improved access in confined areas. Built from chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last, and the handy measurement scales. Inches on the front, millimeters on the reverse, aid quick sizing of nuts and pipes. The code blue grips add extra comfort and durability, perfect for extended use. DURATECH DTW-AW10 Adjustable Wrench. The DURATECH DTW-AW10 adjustable wrench offers a robust design with a wide jaw opening up to 2 and 1/32 inches, providing 55% more capacity than typical adjustable wrenches. Crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, it combines hardness and toughness with a black oxide finish for corrosion resistance. The wrench features precise say and metric laser markings for easy measurements and a mirror-polished head for clarity. The slim, extended jaw is ideal for tight spaces, while the non-slip textured rubber grip enhances control and comfort. Perfect for plumbing, automotive, and general repairs, this versatile wrench is suitable for various fastener sizes and applications. IRWIN VISE-GRIP Adjustable Wrench. Need an adjustable wrench with a sturdy build and comfort grip? The IRWIN VISE-GRIP 8-inch adjustable wrench combines a durable chrome vanadium body with an extra-wide capacity to handle various sizes. Its Pro-Touch grips reduce hand fatigue during long projects, and the imperial and metric scales on the jaw make measurements quick and easy. A hang hole offers convenient wall storage. Suitable for diverse applications, this versatile wrench is an essential addition for DIYers and professionals looking for reliability and ease of use. BAHCO 9035R US Adjustable Wrench. In last place is the BAHCO 9035R US Adjustable Wrench, crafted for durability and easy access in confined spaces. This 12-inch wrench has an extra-wide jaw opening with a short handle, ideal for confined areas. Built in Spain, it features a black phosphate finish and anti-corrosion treatment for long-lasting durability. The slim, tapered head provides greater access, while the ergonomic thermoplastic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use. Precision hardened for enhanced turning power, this wrench is perfect for plumbers, electricians, and maintenance tasks. Its integrated measurement scale and durable design make it an essential tool for professional settings. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect adjustable wrench. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.